What if 28 sticks could change everything about how you paint? Today, I'm excited to share my online workshop, Pastels Simplified, where I partnered with Dakota Art Pastels to bring you a hand-selected kit of professional Blue Earth pastels, along with over 10 hours of guided instruction and a beautifully illustrated 100-plus page ebook through 9 complete paintings. Whether you've been working in pastels for months or for decades, this is for you. Here's what I've learned after 35 years of teaching. More pastels don't make better paintings. More choices don't lead to better decisions. Some of the strongest and most alive work I've ever seen has come from artists working with a cohesive, intentional set of colors rather than a mountain of sticks. So I curated 28 pastels that can handle any subject in this workshop. Every stick earns its place. And one of the most exciting things about this workshop is discovering just how much range and variety lives inside one focused set. I've done the work for you. The kit ships to your door with the Marla Basic 1 Blue Earth set, Canson velvet paper, tracing paper, and compressed charcoal. Everything chosen to work together. There are a few additional supplies you'll want to have on hand, and I walk you through all of that in the workshop. I'll show you how to draw each subject step by step, or if you prefer, you can use the prepared outline included with every project and go straight to painting. Either way, I walk you through the transfer onto your pastel paper so you're set up perfectly. We'll paint 9 works together. Pears, clouds and sky, a green marsh, a glowing sunset, a rooster, a Canadian mountain in autumn, a tropical beach, poppies, and a vintage orange truck. Each project builds on the last, and every one is designed to develop specific skills: mark making, layering with intention, carving forms through negative space, value control, knowing when to stop. And here's what I think experienced painters will appreciate most. The structure takes the second guessing away. You're not agonizing over which paper, which sticks, which subject. You're just painting, project after project, building mileage, refining your marks, rediscovering what made you fall in love with pastels in the first place. If you've hit that plateau where you know just enough to overthink everything, this breaks through it. If you want to sharpen your fundamentals and develop a more personal mark-making style, this gives you the framework. And if you've never experienced what a truly focused, well-chosen set can do for your work, you'll be amazed by what it opens up. With lifetime access to every video, you can revisit any lesson at your own pace. You'll join a private Facebook community of fellow students to share your work and stay connected. And when your 9 paintings are finished, I'll teach you how to frame them yourself, step by step, so you can hang them together as a cohesive collection. Imagine a wall of 9 works, all created from the same 28 sticks, each one a completely different subject, and every single one yours. Sometimes the deepest, most powerful work comes from economy and focus. Ready to find out? Join me in Pastels Simplified at paintinglessonswithmarla.com. 28 sticks, 9 paintings, 1 clear path. Let's start painting together.